Paterson, NJ, good news. 4th of July, downtown Paterson. This where it's at, downtown Paterson. Come and do your shopping downtown. I'm downtown Paterson, 4th of July. My niece, Nakia Brunson. Yeah, downtown Paterson. Nakia, Paterson #1?
Yeah, it is.
Paterson, Jack Quaid, Paterson #1? Downtown Paterson. This is my great niece right here. Hey. Y'all go on that roller coaster right there. Nice roller coaster. They got some roller coaster over there too. Hey, $25. How you doing, sir? All right. Downtown Paterson, 4th of July, live entertainment. The fireworks about to start at 8:30. Oh yeah, you know. Downtown Paterson, that's where it's at. How you doing, sir? Paterson #1. Yes. This is Paterson, NJ, good news. Facebook, YouTube. Yes, sir. Downtown Paterson. Downtown Paterson. All right, all right. Fourth of July, downtown Paterson. Live entertainment, fireworks, good food. What's up, man? How you doing? How you doing? How you doing, man? Downtown Paterson. That's where it's at. Paterson's #1. #1, the best city in New Jersey. Pardon me, kids. We downtown Paterson. How you doing? All right. This is the best city in New Jersey. 4th of July, downtown Paterson. Downtown Paterson. Paterson, NJ, good news. Paterson, NJ, good news. This is Elvis James Durham, better known as Church Boy the Church Man. the Prince of Paterson. Paterson NJ, good news.
And we'll have everything. We'll share the joy, falling in the love it can bring. No one can tell me that I'm too young to know. I love you so, and you love me. Our day will come if we just wait a while. No tears will take the love and wear a smile. Our dreams are magic because we'll always stay in love this way. Our days will our dreams are magic because we'll always stay in love this way. Our days will Thank you. All right, yes. Well, okay. Rolling down, rolling down. Rolling down, rolling down.
Downtown Paterson, 4th of July, 2015. Paterson NJ, good news. How y'all doing? All right? Y'all having a good time in Paterson?
Definitely.
All right. All right.
Enjoying it out here.
That's right. That's right.
Falling on my face and over my cheek. Rolling down, rolling down. All I know is I
How you doing, sis? How you doing?
Good, good.
All right, what's your name?
Veronica Ovales.
All right, all right. You having a good time?
Yes, I'm loving it.
I believe you're running for first world councilwoman.
Yes, I am.
All right, all right. So talk to the people.
Well, I'm here celebrating with the people. I'm with the people.
Okay, okay.
You want to say something? Hi, Sandy.
Hey.
You want to say something? Happy? No, she's
Sorry.
Thank you very much.
On Saturday. That's when he make all his money. On Saturday.
Yes, I hear you.
You, baby, I'm missing you.
we'll be together. And it won't be long, it won't be long, but it seems like forever. Yeah, but it's alright.